Hello guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to play Lancelot in Mobile Legends. Let's begin. Firstly, we will be showing you the builds for Lancelot. The first build is the Rapid Boots. It gives an additional 80 movement speed. The next build will be the Blade of Heptosis. It will give you additional 65 physical attack and additional 250 HP. The next one is Endless Battle. It gives you a lot of benefits such as 65 physical attack damage, 25 mana regen, and additional 250 HP, 10% CD reduction, 5% movement speed, and 15% physical lifesteal. The next one is Blade of Despair. It gives you 170 physical attack damage and 5% movement speed. The next one is Rose Gold Nether. It gives you 60 physical attack, 30 magic defense, and 5% physical lifesteal. The final one is the Queen's Wings. It gives you 15 physical attack, 10% CD reduction, and a whopping 1000 HP. Correct spell to use for Lancelot is Retribution. Time to look over the skills for Lancelot. The first skill is a dash skill. It is very useful if you know how to use it. If you hit a new target every dash you make, you get instant cooldown for this skill. If you hit the same target twice, your skill goes to cooldown. The second skill is the main damage dealing skill of Lancelot. This skill damages a single enemy better than 2 enemies or more at the same time. Check the difference in damage when there are 2 enemies, so try hitting your skill to a single enemy for the best results. And try hitting your second skill on the middle of the triangle at the symbol that looks like a triangle ninja star, because hitting it there does more damage than hitting it on other areas of the second skill. Lancelot's ultimate is the most easiest and most overpowered skill among all. No matter how many targets you hit, the damage is the same on all of the enemies and doesn't decrease like the second skill. Time for the gameplay. Firstly, you should go mid lane. Try distracting the enemy from the minions so they can't level up. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act. Head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. After that, you should go and take the buff on the left side. Live with every breath, see my message start to spread. And I had so many dreams, then you hit your teens. Life ain't really what it seems, try to find out what it means. Always do it on my own, so I got. After that, go back to the mid lane to do the same thing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just want. Try taking their monsters as they can't level up without them. After that, go to different lanes to help your teammates against the enemies, as well as clearing the lanes. After that, you should go and farm, then go back to helping your teammates at different lanes. I'll be number one, working hella hard until I get just what I want, yeah. Rises like the sun, yeah, fatal like a gun. Shooter's gonna shoot and I'm gonna shoot until I fall. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. As you can see, I killed this Aurora as she has low health. I used my first skill to go nearer and my second skill to kill. After that, I cleared the mid lane with my ultimate. It is not recommended, but I was recalling anyways. After recalling, I went to farm the buff again on the left side. After that, continue to help your teammates fight the enemies and clear the lanes. Keep farming as well.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up, staying strong, always moving on. Feel I don't belong, tell my thoughts to move along. Push myself to be the best, die with no regrets. Live with every breath, see my message start to spread. And I had so many dreams, then you hit your teens. Life ain't really what it seems, try to find out what it means. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up.
When you have enough XP, you can start attacking a turtle. It helps you level up faster, which helps you have more damage. After taking the turtle, keep helping your teammates and do the same thing again.
Everybody listen up, cause I'll only say it once. I'm gonna show you all the path. If you want it bad, I'm gonna show you where it's at. Yeah, how you can get it back. Yeah, cause I ain't never done. The only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never stop.
Putting that failed clip aside, let's continue.
I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah.
Keep farming to make yourself stronger and more powerful. A team fight is about to start, and of course, we won. When your teammates were killed, I went to take the enemy's buff as it will not only make them weaker, but it also makes us stronger.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact.
I don't recommend doing what I just did. If Tigreal wasn't with me, I would have died.
Always moving on, feel I don't belong, tell my thoughts to move along. Push myself to
Teamwork is key to fighting the enemies, so try to play with your friends. So continue clearing the lanes and stealing the enemy's monsters.
when you hit your teens. Life ain't really what it seems, try to find out what it means. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, let me
I smell a savage coming. Do you?
I'm gonna show you all the path. If you want it bad, I'm gonna show you where it's at. Yeah, how you can get it back. Yeah, cause I ain't never done. I'll be number one. Working hella hard until I get just what I want. Yeah, rises like the sun. Yeah, fatal like a gun. Shooters gonna shoot and I'm gonna shoot until I fall. Yeah, always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my own legacy. Do just what I do, and I hope you let me in. I'm grateful, oh yeah, able, oh yeah, I'm stable, oh yeah, no label, oh yeah, you know me, I have only a path, I'm lonely, but damn, I'm going to win, yeah.
Oh my gosh. Hello guys, in this video we'll be showing you how to play Fanny Mobile Legends.
Where's the left again? You never add in!
No, you forgot to say the in Mobile Legends.
You say firstly!
Oh shit, no. Hey,
Don't you have a tripod?
Why?
no, restart.
I was stretching already.
Hello guys, in this video we'll be showing you how to play
Too fast!
Jenny, you take it.
Hello guys, today we'll be playing.
See,
Hello guys, in this video we'll be showing.
too fast.
Hello guys, in this video we'll be showing you how to play more Lancelot on mobile.
Shut up!
Guys, in this video we'll be showing you how to play Lancelot on Mobile Legends. Let's begin.
Lucky ah.
You love in the end, you got the sound.
Lucky ah. You are very lucky. Let's start right now.